Okay, hi guys, it's me Maya, and today's video is going to be on this new unit I made using ISee Hair Beauty's Brazilian Body Wave. It is in the lengths 24, 22, 22, 20, and an 18-inch closure. And I'm just going to be applying this to my head and doing a mini get ready with me because I am going out for like a holiday dinner. So just thought this would be like my holiday video because I've been slacking. But here is the twist though. I'm going to be trying the new bed head hard hold hairspray that is now like supposedly going to be better than Got to Be free spray, which I still love the free spray. Not the biggest fan of the gel, but I love the spray. So I'm interested to see how this works. If it is better, I don't even know if I'll still use it as much because this cost me $20 Canadian. And I can get Got to Be for $14, so it's a bit pricey. But to start off, I'm going to be putting a wig cap on, and it is a brown one. So hey guys, it's me in a voiceover. So I'm just going to be telling you and explaining to you what I'm doing during this hair thing and during the makeup section of this video. So I'm using the Fit Me powder in the darkest color, and I use that as my color to tint my lace. I love this color. It really works so well on my complexion. I recommend always going darker for your color to tint your lace because it will just come out better. So I put this elastic band in it, and as you can see, it is white. So to cover that up, because you can see it on the sides, I am now taking bobby pins and kind of pulling the wig in front of the band and then pinning it into the band and into my braids. The wig, I kind of made it a bit too big for my head, so I definitely have to pin it or else it'll be sliding around. So I was trying to find my middle part, and I had made a defined middle part, but I had actually put the wig on a bit to the side, so that was not the true middle part. I actually have it somewhere else, which is why styling this hair is a bit weird. But this is the lace before I even stick it down. It already looks pretty good, just it's lifting up a bit on the side. But the thing I like about the spray is that when you put it on your forehead, it doesn't drip. The free spray drips down your whole entire face and just comes out white. This didn't do that. It definitely stayed in place and it didn't turn white at all. So that's pretty bomb. I literally blow dried it for like 3 seconds and then it was already good to go. Put the lace down and boom, we stuck. So I do this thing where I part out the baby hairs. I saw this from Pisces Finest on YouTube here, and her installs are lit. So she parts out the baby hairs, and then she sprays another layer of the hairspray, whatever she's using, behind the baby hairs. Sorry if you guys can hear my cat. So then I start blow drying again, and after a few seconds of it drying, I do brush the hairs back because I don't want them to get stuck just down on my forehead like that. This install came out so good. Like, I am definitely a fan. I'm going to be continuing to use this product. Not saying it's better than Got to Be or like whatever, but for me it's working much better as of now. Here I'm just pulling it and you see how it's like literally stuck. What kind of hairspray are they making these days? Like, hairspray is heavy duty. So that's what it looks like, no baby hairs, but literally it looks snatched. Like, that looks like it's my scalp. You can't tell me it's not my scalp. So now I'm just doing my baby hairs, and I'm using the Lotta Body coconut and shea oils hair styling foam. So I love this mousse. It is so good. Like, it's my go-to. I'm on my 3rd bottle. I use it for everything. So with closures, I always recommend doing really natural, light baby hairs. I find that there's not enough space to do like insane, intense baby hairs. So it kind of looks a bit stupid, but to each their own. I just opt for the sides. I always do a swoop on the side, and if I'm feeling it, I'll do a swoop in the middle, which is what I did on this day. And I also use the mousse to lay my baby hairs. After the hairs are laid, I now take the hairspray on the edge brush and I kind of just go over what I've already done to like make sure it's stuck in place. So this band came with the hair. I love that companies are now giving these out because it's so much more helpful than eyelashes. So now we're on to the makeup. So I'm starting off with my Mario Badescu spray. This is my first time ever using it and it smells pretty nice. I actually liked it. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel in dark brown to just like set my eyebrows in place. Now I'm using my Fenty Brow MVP in black brown, and I'm just using this to fill in my eyebrows. And I'm brushing them out. To carve out my brows, I'm taking the Fenty Pro Filter Concealer in the color 410. I was a bit out of frame for this part, so sorry about that. So now I'm taking my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I love this primer. I use it all the time, like every day. It is such a good primer for dry skin. And then I'm going to be using my Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation in the color 420. The brush I'm using is the Sephora foundation brush. I'm pretty sure it's just a dupe of the first Fenty foundation brush. It works really well and it was like half the price. So now I'm going in with the same concealer as before and just gonna highlight under my eyes. And whatever's left on the brush, I just use to highlight like my chin and my forehead. So now I'm taking the Fenty setting powder in Honey. I just use this under my eyes, and like before, whatever's left on the brush, I'm gonna just kind of put anywhere else on my face where the light hits, so it's not too shiny, like my forehead. Taking my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Cocoa Naughty, and I'm gonna be packing this on. Like I can never put enough on, really. So I just cover my whole face in this. I use this to contour and bronze, and I really pack on a lot on my nose. I just like the way it looks when my nose is all sun-kissed looking. Now I'm taking Mocha Mommy and I'm using this as a blush. So for the lips, I'm using Sephora's lip liner in Molasses and their lip gloss in Brownie Touch. So moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. I'm starting off with the color Edges and I'm using that as like a transition shade. And I decided to do a halo eye makeup look, so I'm taking Credit and I'm going to be putting that on the inner and outer corner, and I'm packing it on so that the color is dark. It's not picking up as dark on camera as it did look, but it just adds like this nice depth to your eyes and I love it. After you pack it on the inside and the outside, you kind of just blend it so it's like not harsh. Then I'm taking Ginger to blend everything together. And the color I decided to use for the center is Sponsored. It's this really nice smoky green color and it was so pretty. It like caught the light so lovely. Like look at that, so pretty. So now I'm just taking whatever's left on my brush and I'm using that to blend everything together. And I'm taking the Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner in like the darkest color, and I did a winged eyeliner here. I'm taking Credit and Ginger and just smearing that underneath my lash line to smoke it out. And I'm taking the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes mascara. It's a sample, but I actually really like the mascara. It's really good, but I don't know if I'd pay the price for it. But it made my lashes look so natural, so lovely. I haven't been on lashes, so I'm always looking for a good mascara. And I'm using my Fenty Matchstick in Cinnamon, my holy grail. I'm using this as an inner corner highlight and all over the face highlight. So that is the finished makeup look. I'm actually obsessed. It came out so lovely, it looks so pretty, and it's festive but not too in your face. So now we're gonna go back to the rest of this hair portion. Taking off the scarf, and look at this, snatched. My camera was dying, so I did the rest off camera. But I am gonna bronze my forehead because you know that line of demarcation happens when you have that scarf on. Okay guys, so I did the rest of my hair off camera because my camera is dying, but this bedhead spray, this is foolproof. I don't think anybody could do a bad install with this. I think it is foolproof. I think that as long as you just put it on and put the lace on, your lace is stuck. And it's just hairspray. Like, I couldn't imagine putting this on my hair. Like, this would get your hair crunchy as hell. And like, my edges came out so nice. Do y'all see how natural? This is a closure. One closure look like, this is a 4x4 closure. Not no 6x6, no 7x7. This is a 4x4, and it looks so real. Like, I'm shook. So I decided on a side part, which I never do, and I'll show you the length. So I'm 5'5", and it's down to my tailbone. 24 inches of realness. So I do have all 4 bundles in here. I have like a little bit left of the 4th bundle of the 20, but I will be doing a review on this hair where I talk about the hair itself before I switch my hairstyle again. But I can't believe how cute I look. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. We'll see how that works out. Okay, so my camera does not want to focus. I don't know why. But as always, my links are down below, guys. So make sure to check out my Instagram, my Snapchat, and all my links I have. Keep up with me on my social medias and such. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you guys see this before Christmas, Merry Christmas. That's a Christmas eyeshadow game. Merry Christmas, and I love you all. And thank you for sticking with me to my subscribers, even though I have barely posted. So yes, all the love in the new year.